race me. You ain't gonna race me. I don't want no smoke. Colorado. You don't want no smoke. This ain't for everybody. It's the last Silverado. I don't want this. Today, looking at this Mercedes, you know what I'm saying? That's probably one thing I don't like about this car is this whack ass Prindle shit being up here. After that, everything else look cool though, you know what I'm saying?
I don't see how you can hate from outside of the club. You can't even get in. Leg out.
What it do, y'all? It's your boy Bright. Back window video. Today, we taking delivery of the AMG Mercedes. You know what I'm saying? Y'all see it? Let me zoom out. Y'all see it? I ain't trying to show no addresses. My crib. Y'all see it? Tell me what you think, what you think, what you think. You see me? It's at the crib. What you think, what you think? It's cold. If y'all knew how cold it is in Florida right now. It's cold. Let me open the door. Tell me what y'all think, you know what I'm saying? What should I do first to it? I told you I'm probably gonna keep it low key. I'm probably gonna do nothing to it, cause it's like a daily driver. I ain't gonna burn too much gas, so keep stock, you know what I'm saying? Just, you feel me? Peanut butter guts, what y'all think? Let me know what y'all think. Like, most like my mom gonna be driving this car a lot, cause I like my loud cars, so, you know? But if I do something to what y'all think I should do, though, I just locked it. I don't even know how I locked it. Oh, this shit fancy. I don't even know how I did that, but I didn't even press no buttons. It just automatically do it. Let me know what y'all think, though. What y'all think of the whip, you know what I'm saying? Let me know what y'all do to it. I do know I'm gonna race this versus that eventually. Any other plans in that to do with this car? Oh, I want to do POVs in at nighttime, daytime, in the city, you know what I'm saying? I got a couple ideas. Ain't nothing too crazy. Tell me what y'all think, though. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'm out. I like it. I like her. I don't know. Like, I've never had a quiet car before. Every car I had made some noise about her. What time is it? People getting out of school right now? Oh, it's 2:58. I picked the worst time to test drive. I picked the worst time to test drive cars. What y'all want to see me test drive next? I want to test drive a BMW M340 next. That's on my bucket list of cars to get. What y'all want to see me drive though? What y'all want to see? I know cars I want to see. I want to test drive. I feel like I can test drive any car that's under like 60, 70K. So like, I want to test drive M340, like 2021, 22. I want to test drive another Hellcat, because that's what I really want. What else? Let me think. What else on my bucket list of cars to test drive? I want to test drive a Corvette, a Stingray. That's in my price range. Anything like 60, 70,000 under is in my price range. I want to test drive a Stingray. Or like a used like Z06. A lot of cars I want to test drive. I kind of made up my mind on what I want. I want a Hellcat. I just got to get the money for it. But it don't hurt to test drive cars. I might get this though, just to have something different. Like just to have like my Mopar, and then I have like something that's not Mopar. People that like, you know what I'm saying? I don't know if this is JDM. I don't know if you consider. I've never been a fan of Mercedes. This is my first Mercedes, if I do get it. So I don't know if Mercedes is JDM. But don't come at me in the comment section because I don't know. But this would definitely be a tuner car. So I'd have my Mopars and I had this, you know? And I'll probably trade this in for a Beamer later on. Cause my mom would like this car, SUV. But I promise every time I record, I get stuck at every red light. Like I promise you, red lights love me when I start recording. I don't get it. this shit quiet though. I feel the speed though. This shit kick, but like it don't make no noise. Like I could be going 20 in my scat, and it sound like I'm going 40. Like I love that noise. Like this don't make no noise to me. Showing purr, but it's smooth though. I feel like I'm in a. I mean, this is a luxury car. I was gonna say a luxury car. I feel like I'm in a this is a luxury car. It's smooth. I will tell you that. I like her though. I like her. The peanut butter guts too. I kind of want to cut up, but I ain't gonna cut up in people's car. I got a dealership coming at me. I should drop a video on y'all too, how to test drive any car without them running your credit, because they don't run my credit at all. I'll just be test driving cars. Any dealership I go to. The majority of the time they let me record it. So a lot of times the majority of dealerships I go to, they let me record too. So it's like, even if I don't buy it, I'm out here getting content, you know? So it's low-key like a good little free content, plus I get to drive cars that I'll get one day when I'm rich from getting my content. What's y'all dream car though? Like what's y'all ultimate dream car? What y'all want when y'all y'all up? Like my dream car ain't even that crazy. To me it is, but to y'all it ain't. But my dream car is like a 02 Supra, old ones, nice. I don't know why I want one so bad. Just want me an old Supra. And the crazy thing is, I don't even know how to drive stick shift. So I get one whenever I do get one, because that's gonna happen. I don't care what nobody tell me. I'm gonna get one. And when I do get one, I'll make that into a whole like just journey grind on YouTube. What car was that? I didn't even see it. Oh, it was a Mustang. I'll make that into a whole journey grind. Just me learning how to drive stick shift in a Supra, because I don't even know how to drive. I'm gonna buy my first stick shift car is probably gonna be a Supra, you know what I'm saying? And that car is a lot, so I'm gonna be test driving a whole expensive car, but it's gonna be funny, it's gonna be entertaining. And when I do master that bit, oh my gosh, I'm gonna be in my Supra racing everybody. I need to make some racing content in general, but nobody ever lines up to me with my Durango. People barely would line up with me. I feel like if my Durango was like wrapped or something, people would know. Because not everybody know, oh, this is Scat Pack SRT Durango, you know? Like, not everybody knows a 392 engine in it. Like, they see a Durango, they might think, okay. Unless you really know, it's like, they might think it's a little mom car, you know? That's a good thing about it, too, because they think it's a sleeper. And then when I be out here being coupes in the 7-seat, they be feeling so demolished. I remember I raced this Audi one time. I wish I recorded it. I raced this Audi. I don't even know what type of Audi it was, but a little two-door. It wasn't a two-door. It was a small Audi, though. It was a 4-door. And he's way lighter than me. I think he was all-wheel drive too, and I smoked him. Red light, both lined up. Revved my engine. He revved his engine back. Green light hit. Smoked him. I stopped at the next light. I was like, "What happened?" He's like, "I don't know. I don't know either. It's not what you want." You know what I'm saying? They say Durango ain't for everybody. Durango's a different breed of a beast. I can't even like really have no fun because it's like. Just traffic. Like I picked the worst time to go to a dealership. Like the worst time in general to go to a dealership after school hours and work hours. It's about to be straight rush hour. It ain't gonna be no long video though, so I ain't gonna trip. Yeah, I'm really stuck too. I really can't go nowhere. I'm stuck. Behind this big ass truck is low-key blowing my vibe. Like I want to go around. I want to say if I was in my car, I'd go around right there. But I don't even know if I'd take that risk right now. Maybe. Actually, I wouldn't. I know where I'm at. It'd be helicopters right here. I wouldn't do that yet. Actually, not in this area. There's too many cops around here. So let me get over here. I know this truck can go faster than this. I don't even know what that is. GMC. I know this truck don't go back faster, so truck gonna go. I'm gonna get over on the truck. Get over on the little GMC, and then yeah, Y'all think this truck will race me? Hell nah. Silverado. That shit gotta weigh more than my Durango. Like 7,000 pounds. So nah, man. Got to. Yeah, would y'all watch me if I get a monster truck? What type of content when I'm making a monster truck? One thing I can think was mudding, and I can go mudding in my Durango, to be honest. That's actually my bucket list to do, to go mudding in my Durango. Wow, this shit high tech. This should make noise and shit when I'm going over the car close to me. He ain't gonna race me. He ain't gonna race me. I don't want no smoke. He don't want no smoke in no Silverado. He don't want no smoke. This ain't for everybody. This little ass Silverado. I don't want this. But this car get up. This car might be faster than my Durango. If I get this car, I'm gonna race against first my Durango. Let's see UE right here. This car get up. I ain't gonna lie, this bitch get up. I'm not even in sport mode either. Oh, I can't do a U-turn here? Oh, Dios mío. I really should do it. I might do it. Ain't nobody watching me. I say ain't nobody watching while I'm making the whole video of me. Is that breaking the law? Like doing a U-turn where it say don't do a U-turn? That's definitely breaking the law. We in Mexico, it don't matter. I'm trying to figure out what this car's waiting for. I would have been went. So this is crazy. This traffic, yo, this not even where the bad traffic be at too. If I go downtown more, it's over with. I get home until 2-3 hours away from work. Alright, after the white truck, we busting this UE. I gotta figure out how to put this car in sport mode. Oh yeah. Oh, I like how this bitch sound. Low key, it's growing on me. It's growing on me. This car low key growing on me. I like how this bitch sound. I ain't gonna lie. One little straight pipe. One straight pipe or just a muffler delete. This car will sound beautiful. I'm not gonna lie. A muffler delete, a tune, down pipe. This car out here being, I think this car's already faster than Hellcats, I think. I don't know. I gotta do my research. I think already stock this car might be faster than Hellcats. I don't know. But I know downpipe, tune, this car is beating a lot of cars in the race. A lot of cars. This car all-wheel drive. I gotta do my research. We're gonna do our homework. I like it though. Tell me what y'all think. Comment down below. Tell me what y'all think. She low-key get up. I like it. I ain't never had no Mercedes-Benz before, so it's something different. If the video do good, then that's more reason to get the car, because obviously I like it. What a school police? I ain't never heard of school. I know there was a car like for school police or something new. Sport mode. I'm gonna test drive this car again. Listen, how about this? If this video get, if this video get, I don't average nothing. So it's like if I get like 30 likes, 30 to 50 likes, which is nothing crazy at all. If I get 30 to 50 likes, I'll buy this car. We'll get it. You know what I'm saying? 30 to 50 likes. That's easy. People be asking for like 100,000 likes. I get 30 to 50 likes, we'll get the car. That will show me something I want to see on the channel, you know what I'm saying? They gotta put air in the tires, so hopefully I remember to tell them that. So I'll post this video. I don't even know what today is. Today is Tuesday. I'll post this video tomorrow, Wednesday. So I'm gonna post the same day. It's gonna be Wednesday. Y'all gonna see it. 30 to 50 likes, we get the car. I might do a monthly delete. I might do a muffler delete and just like not make it louder. I used to make my cars hell loud. My Durango is dumb loud. Like my Durango is straight piped. I didn't take out the cats. Took off the muffler. It has a custom intake, custom muffler. I don't remember what else I did to it, but my Durango is not stock. This car, I might just muff delete and then just, you know, just, I might tune it up, but I won't make it louder. So like, you won't know that it's fast unless you really would never know. Like, you just see a whole like sedan and just think, okay, this car's luxury, it's not fast for real. But my only issue with having luxury cars, like when you see luxury cars, nobody lines up next to you. So it's like, I feel like if I had a Hellcat, at least I want a Hellcat too, I feel like I'd get more, school. I feel like I'd get way more like content if I had a Hellcat, just for the fact that it's rear wheel drive, this car's all wheel drive. And then it's like, more people line up with me. They see a Hellcat on the street, people gonna test me. It could be Mopar or it could be regular JDM cars. People gonna test me, you know what I'm saying? With this car or my Durango, no, you're not, the average person's not gonna line up next to a GLE Mercedes SUV and be like, oh, let's line up, let's race, you know what I'm saying? So it's like, if you know, you know. That's why I want to get me a little sports car, because I feel like I'd get a lot more content if I had, damn, what did I press? I don't even know what I pressed. This car too high tech for me. But yeah, if I get me a little SUV, not everybody gonna line up with me. I want cars where it's like, the content damn near come to me. Like, I don't gotta do too much. I can just start my engine, just drive to Winn-Dixie, and I'm getting content. People just wanna test me, you know what I'm saying? I really do want to drop some racing content. I'm going to start going to car meets again. If y'all stay in Florida, let me know about some car meets. I need to get linked in with some car people. You know what I'm saying? Gotta get tuned in. This Bronco. Gotta be the one of the wackest cars I've ever seen. Two of my cousins got Broncos. I don't know who ID or where. I think Ford made Broncos. I don't know why Broncos. Like, they not fast. I don't even think they're the best for off-roading. I don't know what the purpose of Broncos. They're not very luxurious. I just don't like them. I'm just a hating. You know what I'm saying? I just don't like them cars. I feel like and they're expensive too. I think they were like 50 or 60K. Like, you don't think they're worth it at all. White ass car. But yeah, let me know what y'all think. Should I get this car? Or should I get this car or get some recommendations on what cars I should test drive? So far I like it. It's smooth, it's fast, a little bit high tech. I never had no really high tech car for real. You know what I'm saying? All the cars I had were like, this car's like a 2020 or 21. My newest car I ever had was 18, which is my Durango right now. I ain't never really had no new car, so this right here is something different. Trying to figure out where I had parked at. I don't even remember where I parked at. I gotta put the car back where I found it. I couldn't really do too much either because there's traffic, but it is what it is. Okay, this is where I was at right here. I don't want y'all to see where I was getting it from, so I'm just gonna put my phone down when we get closer. Can y'all read that? I hope something good happens to y'all today. That's for all of y'all. Hope something good happens to y'all today. Today Tuesday, but we gonna act like it's Wednesday because we gonna upload this on Wednesday. Message for everybody. Something good happens to me today. Driving this car. I love being in cars, so that's my good fortune for the day.
Drop the horns 1,000 count, now I'm happy for. Really don't give a fuck how I go get it. I can't go to sleep unless I got me some buck.